SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable 5G on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. 5G networks are becoming a lot more common across the world, and they can provide you with a faster access to data on the internet, often rivaling the speeds of Wi-Fi networks. But if it seems like you aren't connecting to 5G networks and you would like to be able to, then you can start by opening the Settings app, and then you can select the Cellular or Mobile option here. Note that the options that you're going to see on this screen are set by your carrier, so in the next couple steps, things may look different for you, and it's possible that you might not even see a 5G option. If you don't see a 5G option, then you're going to need to contact your cellular or mobile provider, as that's something that they're going to need to change on their end. But with that being said, to enable 5G, just tap on the cellular data options here, and then you can choose voice and data from this menu. Now you're probably set to LTE if 5G is not currently enabled, so you can either elect 5G on or 5G auto, and that should allow you to use a 5G network if there's one in range of you. Note that the difference between 5G auto is that 5G auto uses 5G only when needed for performance while optimizing battery life, whereas 5G on is going to use 5G whenever it is available, even when it might reduce your battery life or performance. I generally try and keep 5G auto on, but you can use either of these options and your phone will connect to 5G when that's an option for you.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.